Hey everybody, Bill from Bleeding Tarmac. Just wanted to give you an update on May's sales progress and what we have going on for sales coming up. I am going to extend some stuff to you in June in just a little second here, but let's start with May. This week we've got Killer Bee product, 15% off all product till May 10th, so you only have a few more days on that. Stuff that's going on till the 30th of this month. You've got KW Suspensions offering 5% off all product. ST Suspensions offering 10% off coilovers. You have Hawk still extending their $10 off for every $100 of Hawk product that you purchase. There is no limitation on that, so you can buy a couple $100 worth of stuff, get $10 for every 100 off on that. That goes till May 30th. Coming up sales this month, you have Diode Dynamics. They're going to be doing something from 21st to the 30th, 20% off all product there. Super Pro is doing from the 11th to the 27th of May, up to 25% on products. It varies depending on what it is. There are different levels of how much you're getting off on that stuff, but there is going to be a sale from the 11th to the 27th. Going into June, you've got Coney still extending their 20% off on street performance or street product line. You have that's till June 30th. Till June 30th as well. You also have KYB mail-in rebate up to $75 on certain product, depending on how much you're buying. And then from today, whatever today is, I don't even know. Do you guys know what day it is? I don't know what day it is. Sometime in May, early here, till June 15th, Bleeding Tarmac and Broken Motorsports are going to be offering free install for Cobb SF intake boxes or SF intake systems and their catback systems for Subaru, Mitsubishi, Ford, BMW, and Mazda product. That's pretty much all that they've got offered across the board. Obviously, it's a great time to pair in an AP, an access port if you're into that as well. If you're in need of an access port, we can certainly help you get that sorted as well at the same time. The deal with that is all of these products need to be purchased through Bleeding Tarmac or Broken Motorsports to get the free install. And again, that's from right now till June 15th. That needs to happen. So give us a call. Bleeding Tarmac or Broken Motorsports to purchase your product. You could also purchase it direct through the Bleeding Tarmac website. And then you can call Broken Motorsports, follow up with Broken Motorsports, either give us a call or shoot us an email to schedule in your install your product. I can have it shipped directly to the shop here if that's an option that you want to do as well. So, keep that in mind on the Cobb SF intake systems and their catback systems. As far as payments, if you're not aware, we currently take a bunch of different forms of payment. But one thing that we just recently added last month was the option for Affirm. Obviously, they will help you with any purchase that you might want to use their services for. That maybe you're just currently out of reach for, or you need a little help on something in the moment. So do keep that in mind. But also coming up, we are going to try to keep you guys up to date as much as we possibly can on any and all sales that are currently going on or that we know are coming up. And, like, share, subscribe, send it to all your friends, anybody who's, into cars, obviously into modifying cars, racing their cars. Please share this with everybody. Besides the sales videos we have going on, we've got other things in the works you may have already seen. We've got the Petrol Line podcast where I have different guests every Monday on the show. We also have a new segment called Seat Time that's coming up. That's going to be more about sim racing, which I know nothing about, but I've got some people and stuff around that do. And then we also have, once the race season gets going again, we're going to be getting back into, traveling to races and obviously builds here in the shop and things like that. So do like, share, subscribe, and, tell all your friends. And for any of your automotive purchasing needs or racing needs, please reach out to bleedingtarmac.com and, help those who help you. let's keep it all in the racing fam, and let's get back to racing here real soon. Hope you guys are all staying safe with this COVID stuff and staying out of harm's way, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.